welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do a fortune-telling origami. For this you need a big piece of paper, and also you usually want to have the bigger piece of paper you have, the easier it is. So with a sticky note it'll be harder. So first what we're going to do, we're going to fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, open it back up, you're going to turn it, and then you're going to fold it in half again, but the other way. Then, you should have a cross, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a corner, and you're kind of just going to take the point and bring it to the center of your cross. So basically like this. So see, I have this. I bring it to the center. And then crease right here. So it basically looks like that. And you're going to do that on all four sides. There, once you have it on all four sides, it should look something like this. So you got your square, and then you fold all these things in, so it should look something like this. Then you're going to flip it over, and you should have a cross. And then you're going to basically do the same thing. You're going to take corners, and you're going to fold them into the middle. And then you should have something like this with flaps and lines on each flap in the middle. And if you turn it around, it's flaps like this. So this part's a little tricky. What we're going to do, you're going to take this and you're going to kind of fold it in the middle. And then you're going to open it back up, fold it in the middle again. And then you're gonna have something like this on the back. And you're going to kind of put your fingers in the flaps. So I have my fingers in these flaps. And I'm just going to kind of like shape it and kind of make it like it were a mouth like this. So we have this. You put your thumb and your index finger inside, and you're kind of going to move it. And then you're going to take your other thumb and index finger, and you're going to kind of put it in on the other side. So I'm doing the same process. And then you kind of, once you have this, like this, you're going to kind of just press inside like this. So then you should be able to open it and close it like this. And like that, it should look something like this, and you put your fingers like that inside, and then you should be able to move it. And then that's your fortune telling, that's your model. Now what you can do is you can like get a pencil, add eyes right here. Another thing that you can do is, well, for it to be actual fortune telling, you can get colors, shapes, whatever you want. I'm just going to use colors. You have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to get 8 different colors. You have to get, 8 different colors. Some can be, you can just leave them white, or you can put shapes. They have to be different things, basically. And so then what you're going to do, you're just going to do the colors. So I've got green there, blue there, dark green here, brown here, red here. And then if you want, you can repeat colors. It doesn't really matter. And then you should have this. And then you can open it and then write like something. You can write yeses or nos or things that will go in the future. So what I'm just going to write is, I'm just going to write a yes. So like you can ask a question and then it'll say yes. So let's say, normally you would write things on all of the flaps inside. So you would pick a number. And then let's say they say 6. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you tell them to choose one of the colors. Let's say they choose brown right here. I take brown and I open the flap. And then whatever it says right here, you read it. But let's say they chose this light blue, and I said, are you going to get married? Choose a number. They say 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They choose light blue, open. It says yes, so that means they would get married, just like that. And you can add all kinds of decorations. You can color it, do whatever you want with this. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.